Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys. Wow, all are really arranged here. So I will hand drive all of these vehicles with my hand. At first is 3D Tarzan car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this 3D Tarzan car. This one is pink, black and yellow color combination. And next one is a police helicopter. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this GS car. This one is paste and pink color combination police helicopter. And now I will try this BMW car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this police car. See this one is a BMW car. This one is a pink color, paste color, blue color and black color combination. And next one is a runner car here, so I will try this one. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this BMW car. This one is red, white and black color combination runner car. And next one is a cartoony drum truck, so I'll try this one. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this runner car. See this one is pink, paste and purple color combination. So friends, now I will try this mixer truck. Wow, friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is white, black and red color combination. There is the last one is very big size wrapped in bike. So I drive this bike. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this bike. This one is black and red color combination. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive and parked here. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.